two, three, and
Yeah, welcome to Tower of Doom, the infamous Tower of Shit. Very long-standing na kasi yung relationship with Tower of Doom. I mean, we've done a lot of albums there. When we did Esoteric, the last album ng Dub 2013, we recorded it there as well. Don't wanna be rude. It's my boss.
The first time we really got to work with them was for Esoteric, and that was we all loved working on that album. We loved the energy that Gabby and all the guys bring in. You want to see me beat Gabby in some jiu-jitsu? Want to roll? Now that they're back, now that they're here re-recording, it's awesome for us.
Yung partnership has always been good kasi maganda yung dynamic. Yung working dynamic with Eric and McCoy, and then now with Simon.
1, 2, 3, and ang nagiging method of recording ngayon is lahat ng drums muna. Like from the last time, 4 songs, lahat drums, and after nun si Lalay. Then after nun guitars. Hindi siya yung typical na drums, guitars, bass, and then vocals. Kasi may dala ding sariling kit yung band, mas maganda na make use of the time na sinet up, mas na ma-maximize yun.
Ito yung go-to place talaga na studio ng Urban Lab once na nag-record talaga sila. 10 years ago since last silang nag-record ng Esoteric.
Magre-record kami ng additional tracks, bali 4 yun. Ito yung sa recording nagbabago rin Nagbabago yung mga patterns. Kasi may mga inputs din from sa mga producers natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2, 3, 4, 5
The way we've been approaching it this entire time, it's really been the guys really have a game plan of how to put this thing together. They spend a lot of time on their own, just sort of pre-prodding all the songs and just preparing everything to begin with. So hearing everything in the new versions, I think we did a good job honoring the first album and just improving the arrangements, improving the overall quality.
Yung dub talaga yung work ethic nila, iba talaga sila pag pumasok ka ng studio, handang-handa talaga, na-plan out na talaga yung mga parts and yung mangyayari sa song.
Multitasking. While Lalay is playing the bass, I'm exporting tracks for other songs.
Mas loose. Ayaw putlay mong
Why pause?
weapon.
Ang sasugod na.
Okay, intro pa mo.
Ano? Sige.
Slash mercy. Tapos meron yung yan. Big difference with Tower kasi kilala din nila kasi yung music Kumbaga familiar sila sa gusto naming tunog. That's what makes us happy about working with the guys from Tower.
Fando. Salad stop and ano yata?
Oh.
Salad? Diba? Healthy eating.
The guitars, si Gab natapos din. Pero so far, hindi pa naman final yung ni-record ko. So I can still polish it sa bahay and send it over to Tower. But so far, so good. It sounded good.
Minsan nga, they still catch us off guard when they start doing their mixes na parang, uy, Yun yung iniisip ko pero hindi ko lang masabi. Pero ginawa ninyo, so ang galing. Maganda yung chemistry between the band and the studio and the producers. Thank you, Cubao! Thank you, Barangay Mariana.